Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a collaboration app to help your team stay organized and have conversations, all in one place. Let's start with, what else? Teams. Here you can see the list of all the teams you're on. Teams are made up of channels. You can build them by topic, department, or just for fun. Channels are where the real work gets done, where you hold meetings, have team conversations, and share files. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs. They're like links to your favorite files, apps, and services. When you share a file in a channel conversation, you and your team can edit it at the same time and share thoughts alongside it. To find all the files that have been shared in a channel, go to the Files tab. To see all files shared across teams, select Files on the left. Want to talk privately with someone or a group? Click New Chat at the top and type the names. To make a call directly from a chat, click Video Call or Audio Call. In Calendar, you can see everything you've got lined up for the day or week, or schedule a meeting. This calendar syncs with your Outlook calendar. To get to an online Teams meeting, select Join. In a meeting, you can show content from your device or record your meeting. Go to Activity for a view that lets you catch up on all your unread messages, @mentions, replies, voicemails, and more. And use the command box to search for specific items or people, take quick actions, and launch apps. No matter where you are in Teams, the command box is right here for you. You can download the mobile app so you're in sync when you're on the go. In Microsoft Teams, teams are groups of people that connect for work, projects, or common interests. Teams are made up of channels. There are standard channels, ones that are visible and available to everyone, and private channels, where you can have focused, private conversations and share files with a specific audience. Each channel is built around a topic, like team events, a department name, or just for fun. Channels are where you hold meetings, have conversations, and work on files together. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs. These are links to your files, apps, and services. To add a tab, select the plus sign next to the tabs. Add Planner, for example, to create a project board for tracking team tasks. If you have a lot of channels, pin the most important ones to keep them at the top of your list. Choose a channel to pin, and then select More Options, the 3 dots next to the channel name, then Pin to pin it. Select More Options again to unpin the channel and to see what else you can do with the channel. And that's the quick overview of teams and channels. Put them to work for you. Channels are where team conversations and collaboration happen. There are different types of channels. Standard channels are available to all team members. And private channels, you can recognize them by the lock icon, are for specific people who have been invited to them. Every channel has a Posts tab, where team members post messages and replies. All the conversations are stored in the channel, so it's easy to get caught up. Like what someone said? Give them a thumbs up. Typos happen, but they don't need to happen for long. Select the 3 dots on your message to edit it. Or you can delete a message if you want. When you want to bring someone's attention to a conversation, type the @ sign and their name. Need to get everyone's attention? You can @mention an entire team or channel too, if the team owner has enabled it. These red circles next to the channel names tell you the number of times you've been @mentioned in a channel. You'll want to follow up on those conversations. Post a file in a channel, and you and your team can comment on and edit it together. Channel conversations in teams are great, but sometimes you need to collaborate with a smaller group or talk privately. In chat, you can have one-on-one or group chats with people. To start a new chat, select the New Chat icon. Then type in the name or names of who you want to reach. To give the group chat a name, select the arrow to the right of the controls and type one in. A name makes a group chat easier to find later. This is helpful when you have group chats happening with different sets of people. When you want to call someone directly from a chat, select Video Call or Audio Call in the top right corner. This also works for calling a group. On the left side of Teams, there's a list of your most recent conversations. When you want quick access to a chat, select More Options, Pin. This keeps it visible in the pinned list. You can pin up to 15 chats. And select More Options, Unpin, to remove it from the pinned list. Want to keep track of your appointments and schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams? We've got you covered. Select Calendar to view all your appointments and meetings for the week. Your meetings stay in sync with your Outlook calendar, so you always know what's going on. Got an invite? Select it to learn more about the meeting, attendees, and to send a response. To schedule a new meeting, select New Meeting. Add a title and location. Choose a date, a start and end time, and add details if you'd like. Next, add people and type in their names in the Invite People box. Invite someone from outside your organization, even if they don't use Teams. Type in their email address in the box. Once the meeting's scheduled, they'll get an email invite to join as a guest. To find a time that works for everyone, select one of the suggested times, if there are any, or select Scheduling Assistant to see everyone's availability in a calendar view. Choose whether to keep your meeting private, only the people you invite will be included, or make it open to a certain channel. If you host your meeting in a channel, like here, everyone on the team will see it in the Channels Posts tab. This way, your whole team can set meeting agendas, share files, or leave comments there. Whether you want to view, manage, or schedule a meeting, go to your calendar.
Ever feel the need to turn a team conversation into a quick meeting? You can do that with Meet Now. Use Meet Now to have an instant meeting in the Conversations tab in a channel. There are two ways to start the meeting. Either go to where you type messages at the very bottom and click Meet Now, the video camera, under the box. Or, to keep the context of a specific conversation, first click Reply, then Meet Now, under where you would type your reply. Scroll down a bit to see a full video preview. There you go. Below the Meet Now button, there are options for you to set up the camera and schedule a meeting. Give the meeting a name, and then click Meet Now. Once you're in the meeting, invite people by selecting from the suggestions. Or just type a name in the box. You can also invite someone from outside your organization to the meeting, even if they're not using Teams. Just type their number in the box, or copy the join info and send it to them via email. Once they arrive in the virtual lobby as a guest, you can bring them in from there. When you need to record your meeting so everyone can watch it later, click More Options, then Start Recording. You'll get an email telling you when your video is uploaded to Microsoft Stream and ready for you to view, edit, publish, or download. To share some content from your computer, click Share in the center of your screen, and then click the screen you want to show. While you're sharing, you can give someone else in the meeting control of your screen by picking their name from the bar at the top. With Meet Now, it's simple to meet with anyone in Teams.